Good day everyone. My name is Michael Josh S. Batan of BSBA 1B. For today, I will perform my speech in purposive communication. Title: Short Valedictorian Speech. Principal Stevens, Trustees, Faculty Members, Family, Friends, and fellow graduates. Today is a day to be thankful and to be inspired. First, we have much to be thankful for. Here at Peterson School, we have received a great education thanks to our fine administration and teachers. We are prepared to move on and to take on whatever challenges come next in our lives. Fellow graduates, I want you to know what a great gift it is to be as prepared as we are. Because not all schools offer such as an advantage. Here, we have had a high degree of academic excellence, and whether you intend to continue your education or not, you will benefit from what you learn here. We can also be thankful for our families. These past 4 years have presented us with a lot of ups and downs, and it is good to know that we had our families in our corner, supporting us along the way. Thanks, Mom and Dad. I would not be here today without you. Finally, we can be thankful for each other. The friendships that we have made here will last a lifetime. In the same way, we have supported each other and helped each other succeed in this year at Peterson. I hope we will continue to provide support and encouragement for each other in future endeavors. Now, what can we be inspired by today? Personally, I am inspired by our classmate Alan Rockford, who has overcome so much adversity to be here graduating today. Alan, you have been tenacious and have had such a great attitude in the face of so many setbacks. Whenever I get a little down about something that didn't turn out just the way I wanted it to, I remember some of the talks we had, and it gives me the perspective I need. Thank you for that. Congratulations and all the best. I'm also inspired by Bill Tomas and Tony Marcos, who are leaving later this week for Marine Boot Camp. Billy and Tony, I honor you for making the choice to serve our country, and I feel proud to know you. Please take care of yourselves and keep in touch. Often on graduation day, we look outside for heroes, but I see them right here among us. I have seen in my years at Peterson that we don't have to look far for inspiration, and that we each have the potential to make an inspiring contribution to others by being true to our values and committing ourselves to lofty goals. When you leave here today, celebrate what you have accomplished, but look forward with an eye toward how you too can be the inspiration for others. Congratulations, class of 2015. Thank you.